Chicken. Simple, familiar, and part of nearly every culture on Earth. It's more than just food, it's comfort, it's family, and it's fuel for a healthy life. From the golden roasted dinner table to the athlete's clean meal plan, chicken has always been the silent hero. Every part of the chicken tells a story. The breast lean and pure, packed with clean protein that helps build and repair muscles. The thighs rich in flavor and full of essential minerals like iron and zinc. The wings light and energetic, offering healthy fats that support vitamin absorption and balance. Even the skin, when enjoyed in moderation, brings warmth and satisfaction. 100 grams of chicken breast holds around 31 grams of protein, one of nature's most efficient fuels for strength and endurance. It's no wonder that chefs, athletes, and families alike rely on it as the cornerstone of a balanced diet. High in protein, low in fat, a perfect combination of taste and health. But beyond numbers, chicken connects people. From Sunday roasts to homemade soups, it's the heart of simple, nourishing meals. It reminds us that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated, just honest, fresh, and cooked with love. So next time you prepare chicken, remember you're not just cooking dinner, you're feeding your body, your mind, and the people you love. Because great food isn't just about flavor, it's about balance, energy, and connection. My Dinner Ideas, where healthy meets home.